Sat Shri Akal ji, welcome back, and for those who are new here, hi, my name is Purnima and welcome to my channel where we talk about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. In today's video, we'll focus on concealer hacks, guys. So if you guys are ready, let's just quickly jump onto it. Number one hack is you can use your concealer as an eyeshadow primer. Yes guys, you heard me right. So the concealer I'm using here is from Maybelline Fit Me, as it is easily available in the market, and all you have to do is just take a dab of concealer onto your eyelids and you have to blend it well, guys, with your finger, with your ring finger. Just blend it, blend, and then you can apply your favorite eyeshadow on the top of it. I'm using the palette from Lakme, guys, and you can use any flat brush and you can simply, just apply the eyeshadow. Not only it will hold your shadow to your lids, but also it will make the color pop out so beautifully, guys. You can actually see the actual shade is not that pigmented, but after applying concealer you can actually see the difference. Oh my god, this has come out so beautifully, guys. I hope you guys can see in the camera. So you can use any light color shades just by using this hack. It will pop out very beautifully. Also it will hold the shadow in place for a longer time. To go for any lip fillers, see, it's so simple and you can actually it will give you the illusion of fuller lips so easily. And if you want, you can blend out the edges with your fingers. That's all. So this color is actually very light, but after applying concealer it has come out so beautifully. I cannot express it, guys. Next hack is, guys, you can actually lighten any dark lipstick of yours. Like all you have to do is just take a concealer and dab it on your lower lip in the middle, like so, and just blend it well with your fingers, and you can actually create an ombre effect, guys, and it looks so stunning, I tell you. Oh my god, this looks so pretty, guys. I just hope you guys can see on camera. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This has turned out to be beautiful. Actually, you must give it a try, guys, for sure. And the next hack is you can use your concealer as a highlighter, guys. All you have to do is take any eyeshadow. I'm taking the same Lakme palette here, and take the light colored eyeshadow. Like you can take golden or you can take pink, or for that matter pearl color. And I'll be taking pink here as this matches my skin tone. So all you have to do is just take this eyeshadow and mix it well with your concealer. So I've taken a concealer here, so I'll mix this well with the concealer, and that's all, guys. And you can actually use it as a highlighter. You can apply it onto your cheeks like so, and it looks so beautiful, guys. I mean, if you guys don't have highlighters, you can actually try this hack. It is actually beautiful, guys. Oh my god, you can apply it on the top of your cheeks, here on the bridge of your nose or chin. Oh my god. So this way you can use it as a highlighter, guys. It's so simple. The next hack we'll talk about is, if you guys do not have a tinted moisturizer, all you have to do is take your concealer and mix it well with any face lotion. So I'm taking Lakme face lotion. It's peach milk, guys, and you have to mix it well. Just take a dab of your concealer, take a dab of your concealer and mix it well with your lotion and blend it well. Actually mix it well, guys, and here your tinted moisturizer is ready. And you can see it has actually come out to be so beautifully. And oh my god, you will get that hydrated, refreshed look all of a sudden. I mean, your face will look very glowing and refreshed. And I have tried this so many times, guys, and I actually love this hack. You must give it a try for sure. So yeah, that was all for today. So yeah, that was all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and learned something out of it. And if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you.